Hey, 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 Expression family. This is Vern. If this is your first time to this channel, I want to say welcome. And if you've been here before, you know the drill. Hey, 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 welcome back. Welcome back. I pray that you had a great week. And I pray that everything in your family, in your affairs, and whatever is going on with you is all positive. And if it's not all positive, as sometimes life gets, I'm I'm hoping that you know that you can turn to God and you can ask God for help, that you don't have to do this life alone. I'm hoping that you know that you have support and you have people that will encourage you. You have this channel, you have this platform. We're here to again uplift and inspire you. So if you're feeling down, I'm hoping that something on my channel inspire you and help you to get back to your normal, inspired self, and that your outlook on life can once again be positive. Remember, there is nothing that come across your path that you can't handle, and not handle on your own, but handle with Christ. So, just be encouraged. So for Sunday's song today, I'm gonna sing this song that has been a true blessing to me. Um, it just reminds me about the goodness of God, the holiness of God, and that um, it never changes. God never changes. The things in our lives change, we change, but God remains faithful. He is always holy, so, so holy. And so you're going to see me from time to time look above my screen because I don't really know all the words to the song yet. So I'm going to be looking up at the words, but I pray that the song will be a blessing to you. It's by one of my favorite artists. I don't know if you know this, but most of the songs that I sing on this channel are either sung by Cece Winans or written by Cece Winans or affiliated to Cece Winans in some way. And so this is another one of hers, Holy Forever. And I pray that you are blessed. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all, and the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. A thousand generations falling down in worship to sing the song of ages to the Lamb. All who've gone before us and all who will believe will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. And the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Hear the people sing, holy to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. If you've been forgiven and if you've been redeemed, sing the song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom and if you bear his name, sing the song forever to the Lamb. And we'll sing the song forever and amen. and the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. And the people sing, holy to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. And the people sing, holy to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. You will always be. Holy, holy forever. God will always be holy. Give him the praise, give him the honor, give him the glory, give him the adoration that's due to his name. He is holy and he is holy forever. I pray that you're blessed and I pray that you have a blessed week.